Hey traders, it's 35 minutes past 2 p.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 27th of July, and I wanted to update you on my fight with Pound US and also answer a subscriber question about the turn. So, as I mentioned, this one has turned and it has given me an opportunity to start punching. So, let me explain what I was looking for and also how does a turn look like for me. So when I did the update video, the previous one, and I mentioned that the opponent is now in my offense area, so I had that pullback into the area that I was looking for. What I've got here on the 1 hour chart, I've got this push to another lower low. So this is basically the last place that the sellers had any power into it and a little bit of a wick on that area as well. Then we wait sideways for a while. So this is basically this fight that happening between the buyers and the sellers, and one of them is trying to get control, but there's no real winning yet until we had this strong push that actually was able to make a higher high. Now we haven't been able to close above this week, but we were able to ping higher. So basically show me some intention, show me that the buyers are committed. Then we pushed lower, but we made a higher low. So I like this a lot. And for me, this is a turn. So my entry was above the high of this spike. And as you can see, we broke above it. We haven't even come back to test it from above. I also like the fact that with this push, we also cleared this previous high. So I like this move a lot. Now let's move into the 4 hours so we can see some more information. And as we can see on the 4 hours, nice series of higher highs and higher lows. And we already cleared this previous swing lower high and the wick on these red candles as well. So we pinged that also. So what I'm looking for is obviously to move my defense, but I am going to give this one a little bit more breather because I do believe that there is more room to cover in the ring. So my defense line is now going to be underneath this swing lower high, but I'm also going to move my knockout area. The reason for that is because as we pull back, we haven't just pulled back, we came to this area and made a very obvious lower high before we broke to a very strong lower low. So I don't want to stay in the fight when we're challenging this area because it could be that we will find some more sellers as we come up to the high of this area, because this was an area that the seller were in control. They took over strong control from the buyers. So my knockout area is now going to be moved to underneath this bullish rejection candle. So to summarize, I am in the ring trading punches with this opponent. I have moved my defense line to underneath this swing higher low. It is a bit more of a distance at the moment, but I want to give this opponent a bit more breather if it needs to pull back. I like the fact that we cleared this previous swing lower high, and I'm also moving my knockout area to this around 1.3045 area, just underneath this bullish rejection candle. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.